Hey everybody, Jay here at LockNLube. We got a few grease guns back from customers who said they're having trouble priming them. So we're going to have a look and see what may be going on and troubleshoot it here on camera so that you can see it as well. And hopefully we'll get these problems solved for them. First one here, looks like a pistol grip gun. Yep, pistol grip gun. From the looks of it, might be some moly grease, we'll see. But yep, looks like it's not pumping. Looks like it's still got pretty full cartridge of grease based on how far that's coming out. So what I'll do is, when you pull this all the way out, you can give it a quarter turn, and then it pops out just a little bit further. And now that's locked to the follower rod. Now the barrel is screwed in really tight on the head, so I'm going to loosen that up a little bit. Give it a few turns, so that'll give the grease somewhere to go. It'll allow some air to move. So we'll try to push that air pocket out. Give it a few pumps. Here's something going in there. I'll pump while I'm pushing and see if that helps at all. Try to get some more of that air out. Big air pocket in there. And then that's not working, so I'm gonna try this. Oh, look at that. Carrie behind the camera told me I didn't even see the grease coming out. Hilarious. So let's see, may not even need to use the air bleeder valve, but put that back in. Sure enough, looks like grease is now coming out, no problem. We'll get the hose back on there for him. Also, something to note with these grease guns, when we ship them with the hose and the coupler all separate. The way I like to install it is to put the swivel on the base end of the hose. This person's put the swivel directly behind their coupler. There's nothing wrong with that at all, but it does add that extra bit of metal. You'll get the same functionality, the same swivel, with it down at the base end of the hose, and then you get a little bit more flexibility on this end. So now that we think we've got the grease pumping, we'll do this, keep it going. Looks like there was grease in the hose, and sure enough, seems like we got it going. So I was wrong, it's not moly grease, but it seems like there was a pretty big air pocket in there. Locking out that follower rod, pushing it up, keeping this loose. Now that we got it pumping, tighten that back up, and looks like we are good to go.